Happy Children's Day to all the wonderful children in Nigeria. You're watching Dawn on VOS TV, and here's our newspaper review for today.
The things, items that are trending, the banning of open grazing, the return of Iboris loot. Those are the items trending now. Then the insecurity. Is it all? The insecurity is always trending. Escalating in the southeast now. The southeast, they want to secede. They are recalling what happened during Biafra War, 1960 something. You know, it's now that what Biafra said 1960 something, they wanted to secede Biafra. The south, the southwest, they now conspire with the north. Hausa Fulani north to dominate and humiliate the Biafrans. But it's now, they've now come to realize what Biafra actually started agitating in 1960 something.
Okay, I just want to quickly remark on the insecurity of the country. The problem Nigeria is facing, the insecurity issue will not stop. The reason being that there are a lot of persons that are really involved. Now to go back to the basis, because if we are saying government is not really doing its best, government alone cannot solve it. But if government wants to be sincere, first, people that are producing firearms illegally, government has to stop it. Then two, custom officers, immigration officers that are allowed the smuggling of firearms into the country because they collect millions of naira and allow firearms to be smuggled to the country. So what is now the result? Everywhere you don't have peace. Then the third reason, politicians, if election is drawing near, they are good at using any means possible so that they can obtain victory. By the time they are able to disburse firearms to touts, to stooks, what happens is that after the election, are they able to get all these firearms back? The firearms will certainly be in the hands of what? Of stooges. That's why you see that in Nigeria, the insecurity issue, court boys, they are in possession of firearms everywhere. And how can you say there's peace in the country? So there can't be any peace. Right now, Nigeria is the first country that people will say is having a top insecurity issue. You can't come to Nigeria. Nigeria is not safe. Even the devil knows that Nigeria is not even safe. The devil is aware. He's even telling his agent, don't come to Nigeria. Nigeria is not even safe.
Made a rewriter. Now only 3 people now you write that constitution. May it suit only 3 people. Made a rewriter. Made a rewriter.
Which one?
The Nigeria constitution made a rewriter. Everything made a bond that book. Made a rewriter anything.
If they're born and not be doing, the same people go still bring what they will write.
Ali, the masses go still give option.
For where?
The masses
For
go
where
still
you
give
go
option.
see the
One politician close to 15 Moko with the Ghana for about
who won the
15
the
Moko
match
for
between
years.
Man U and
Tell Johnson, you know, you're crying. I never hear anything about crying. 15 Moko with the Ghana. No, test them Moko, word pay.
Somebody like that in El-Rufai is not supposed to be in Nigeria. When he was Minister of Capital Territory, Abuja, he destroyed people's house and take over the land. El-Rufai, that man,
Wicked man.
na devil.
Every time I sack some politician, you do paper now.
Sack 19 politicians.
Whether a job, because if you lose that job, you don't be senator. At the end of the day, he will lose everything. You want to gather his people.
But for here, police now they gas me.
Yeah, I told the money now.
Honorable Aspas.
Not the only guy, they go even get extra person where they open door for them.
And then they play there.
At the cheap store. Somebody go open door for
Yeah, no, I see him for
why
social
they
media.
like to go open door for everybody?
And then they pay all those ones.
If you want to create
Somebody like that in El-Rufai is not supposed to be in Nigeria. When he was Minister of Capital Territory, Abuja, he destroyed people's house and take over the land. El-Rufai, that man,
Wicked man.
na devil.
Every time I sack some politician, you do paper now.
Sack 19 politicians.
Guy, you got to do you the good.
Today, the way we are seeing Nigeria, things have turned upside down. The youth are angry over the matter. What Nigeria is blessed with, we are suffering of our blessing. How dare great Nigeria are you traveling out of this country, looking for their blessing on other man's land? Nigeria all what it takes to arrive, even before China come up, Nigeria all what it takes. We are not creative enough. We are running after a political seat, running after a certificate in order to earn a political seat. But that is not where the solution lies. Nobody cares about the solution. Not until they look onto the youth and to go into creativity. Creative rule the world. If Nigeria can go into creativity, they will have employment for the youth by establishing industries. In present time, see to it that a president cannot change Nigeria. Neither a governor change the state I'm standing in those states. He's going to take a street man, one man that is suffering today, that cannot feed himself. The man will rise up and feed this nation. People will say, how? The crowd, the innocent blood today is shaking heaven, and God is looking for who is ready. Among us, who is ready. The reason why God needs to be involved in this matter is because the wealth of this land has been dedicated to darkness, especially by the politicians. You see to it that the way market, big market in various states are burned down. It's a covenant to the dark world. They make covenant to the dark world to have a seat in the political seat, and beside that, the devil also gave them what to do. So they will put fire in different places. Boko Haram killing people today is the spirit of the air that entered there. It's a demonic spirit. And beside that, it's a way of fulfilling the work of the darkness. Say the devil coming to carry people to hell, especially by poverty. The youth are still running. Some of the youth are running after the politicians who have turned the youth to become a political thug. Killing everywhere today. Is it not the politicians who gave them guns? Is it not the politicians that gave them those materials to kill themselves? If you sponsor people to do evil, they do evil. If you sponsor people to do good, they will do good. Or we sponsor the youth to do good. If you give the youth what they want, they will begin to do what you want. If you ask the youth to let us do this for a betterment form, and you sponsor them for it, they will turn away from evil and begin to do the right. A man that have not eaten for days, and he see if someone call him to come and do stupid thing, and he need money to survive, he will take it. Nigeria will hurt you. You know they hurt you again.